in performance. This is counterclockwise. This is a 4-petal composite flower. And by composite, I mean when you take the pieces of it, stack them on top of each other and flatten the whole thing out, you get 4 petals total. But it is comprised of each hand making 3 petals, like so with this hand, and like so with this hand. And you'll notice one is at the bottom while the other one's at the top, then they're both at opposing sides, then they switch their stack where the one that was on the bottom is at the top and the one that was at the top is now at the bottom, and then you slide back to your starting position. That is you looking at me doing it the way it would be performed. That is the counterclockwise version. I'm going to teach it to you in mirrored fashion so that I will look like your mirror and you do what you see me doing. So count 5, 6, 7, 8, then once around. And 5, 6, 7, 8, once around. Side up, slide down. 5, 6, 7, 8, and side up, slide down, and hold. 5, 6, 7, 8, side, top, slide, bottom. 5, 6, 7, 8, side, top, slide, bottom. 5, 6, 7, 8, side, top, slide, and hold. 6, 7, 8, side, top, slide. 5, 6, 7, 8, side, top, slide. 5, 6, 7, 8, side, top, slide low, 1 rep, and then land here. 5, 6, 7, 8, up, out, down, and hold. 2, 3, 4, and up, out, down. 5, 6, 7, slide it up and out and down. 5, 6, 7, 8, up, out, 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 down. Start it with your right hand on top and your left hand on bottom, spinning in your counterclockwise, in split time, in a stack. And then if your timing isn't perfect right now, that's understandable. You'll work that through time. And from here, you're going to pop the 2 of them to the side. Each of them goes to the outside, and you hold it here, and you try and get your nice split time here, which looks so easy to do. It's just all you do is 2 circles. Yeah, all you do. And scoop with your left hand more if your plane is doing this. You want to scoop it to your right. Same thing with your right hand. And then we're going to switch positions so that your left hand goes up and your right hand goes down. And from here, you slide back to where you started. So you slide, go to the sides, and then stack it the other way. And then you slide. Your left is up here, your right is down here. You slide both hands across the midline of your body. So your 2 hands switch positions, sliding. Then from your slide, go to the sides, and then stack it. So your left is on top, and then slide. Then you bring them out to the side, and trying to keep maintain that split time. And then bring your left hand back up to the top while your right hand is on the bottom, while you're breathing. And then slide, sides, and switch which hand is on top. So the left is on top again. So slide, sides, switch. Slide, side, switch. Slide, side, switch. Now, you may not be ready for that, so here's what I recommend you do. After you've spent time getting to the point where you can repeat these comfortably, because we didn't actually try and do 20 of them maintained, right? And you want to be able to do that with each hand where you can just do 20 individually. Then what you can do is hold, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, until you can do that relatively comfortably. Now, of course, I know how it is. Enthusiasm gets the better of you, and you just want to go for it. So when you want to go for it, you start with, and you would start with your right hand on top if that's more comfortable. And then what you do is sides to the hand. You switch which hand was on top so that your left is now on top, and then you slide. Sides, switch, slide. Sides, switch, slide. Sides, switch, slide. And then when you get it, you've got it. But you might not be ready to jump from what I just did to even that many repetitions in a row. So then you can try this, where you go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 repetition and hold. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 repetition and hold. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and hold. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and hold, and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Now 2 and hold. 5 and 6 and 7, 8, and 2 and hold. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2. Oops, sorry, didn't do the second one. And hold. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 3. And then hold. 6, 7, 8. 3. And hold. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 3. And hold. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 3. And then when you're ready, you can just keep going more and more. But once you're at the point where you can maintain 3 in a row, your whole relationship to the move really changes at that point in time.